Beautiful morning, everybody. Welcome to Santa's Workshop. I am going to apologize to y'all right now. I have been under the weather again. Good old leg again. But I finally got on the right medicine this time. Once I get through this round of antibiotics, I want to be on the long-term antibiotics, so we shouldn't have any more problem. Let's pray. But show you a little bit of what we got going on. Got the frame rails for Mr. Jim's 55, the double nickel. We got them boxed up, looking good. I hope to get started on that 4-link in the next video. We got the Jolly Hauler, my 53 5-window cab Chevy truck. I finally got the parts in for the front steering on it, so hopefully we can get that done. Once I get that mocked up with the engine in there, so I know I don't have any clearance issues, that will be ready to pull all that out, clean it up, get it right, get the frame painted, hopefully get my other rear end in there soon, and get this one. I'd like to be able to paint the frames on both of these at the same time, so that's what I want to work toward. Midnight Express. Still, I want to have to get a complete new tubular rear suspension for this one, but so it's going to be sidelined. I ain't going to be able to take it on the highway anymore until I get that done. So I want to get it to where I can just pull it in and out of the shop and get it out of our way. But I got to show you this motor. This is what my cousin Brian has got for his T-bucket. 400 small block out of a 75 motorhome. This was starting to give them a little bit of issue, and they said, well, it just probably needs a carb kit or some spark plugs, and they said, nope, pull it out, we want a new motor. We want this thing to make sure that it's a good motor. But I want to tell you, those of you who know motors, there is no ring groove whatsoever. I mean, look at that. It's perfect. Now this timing chain, it's got a little bit of slop, but these teeth will get so sharp, they will literally puncture your finger. There's not that much wear on that. I bet you this motor hasn't got 50,000 miles on it. So 400 small block for the T-bucket. We're going to get that built up here soon. I got a couple of carbs from Randy's, and I'm going to put carb kits in. But for today's video, we're going to rearrange the shop a little bit, kind of get things moved around. And then I'm going to go pick up something and bring it home. You're just going to have to stick with me, see what it is. But the title will probably give you a hint. We'll see y'all soon. Alrighty, we got the shop rearranged. Got the 55 frame over here now, so I can put it up on jack stands and start yanking that rear end out. First thing I'm going to do is drop that fuel tank, get it out of the way, because we're going to be changing up some things back there. And we got the 53 frame there. And then we have the Midnight Express over there, which if I need to, I can fire it up, move it out, and use the lift, no problems. Got our 4-link right here. Got all of it. Coilovers. Then we have the rear end right here. So, this is going to be our next video, getting started on that. But right now, we are about to walk out the door. And me and Brian, we're going to go pick up a vehicle. Grab my Sonic, not sponsored. We got the trailer on, we're ready to go. So, let's hit the road. And this is what's coming home with us. He's already stole the carburetor. Sorry, turkey. That's okay, I got a winch. All right, we're about to put the winch to use. Pull that thing right up onto here. Alrighty, we got it on the trailer. We're going to take this thing home, see if we can get this thing purring like a kitten. Thank you, Mr. Randy. We got her home. We're going to check into this, see exactly what all's wrong with this thing, see if we can get it to purring again. Lots of good parts still on this car. Front of this frame, I'm going to cut it off and keep all the suspension and everything in case we need it for another car. Not sure how much in there is worth keeping. Steering column's going to go in the Caballero when it gets done, which it may be back at my shop since Mako's being jerks. Oh, didn't say that out loud, I'm sorry. Got a couple of good taillights if anybody needs good taillights for a El Camino. Some decent trim. Well, not on this side. But, y'all, let me know if anybody wants some parts. We got some for sale. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to see if we can make some noise. Get y'all set up here. Ouch. I'll set the microphone right there. You ready?
Let's see if we can get some fuel to.
You want to come over on this side so you can control that better without...
Yeah, I don't want to be reaching across.
You don't want to be reaching across.
Okay, try it. Okay, we're getting fuel now.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep. Try it again.
Hang on a second. Let's scoot the tent away from it because if flame pops up. My tent is toast. Scoot it towards the pickup.
You want to scoot it back?
No, just scoot it towards the pickup.
I go backwards. Just get it plumb out of the way for a few minutes.
Well, I mean, we'll take it to the pickup. It'll still keep us in the shade. There we go.
Yeah, you just wanted to have short people jokes.
I is not going to go there. Let me see if that. It's still charging. I think we're way out of time on it though.
We were. It kicked back. Try it again. I moved it a little.
Okay. What do you think?
Well, how did it sound before? Y'all kept saying it sounded bad.
Well, it was, I mean, for the whole time, well, okay. Every time before, there was a cloud of smoke out here behind this sucker.
Yeah. Carburation.
Yeah. So it was the carburetor the whole time.
Yep.
Gotcha.
Well.
Now then, that tick that you heard in it.
That'd be your lifters.
Okay.
Your tappets. They need to be ran, probably.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, we can't run it a very long period of time. It ain't far off timing right now.
No.
Might be advanced a little bit. But it actually sounds even better than the day I first got the meter.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it was flooding out bad that day. Cause remember you tweaked with.
Okay, she's still a little off.
Yeah.
My tea bucket sounds that good, I'd be happy, except for the tappets.
I see we got some smoke floating out there now.
Well, we're messing with it quite a bit.
Alrighty, we got her running. And it sounds pretty darn good. We're going to get this thing cleaned up. I'm going to put the core support back on it, throw the radiator back in it. We're going to set the tappets on it. See if we can get this thing purring like it should be. Then, going to use the parts I need to when the Caballero comes back. Get it going, and we're going to trash the rest of this. So if anybody is needing El Camino parts, please let me know. Got some good pieces of trim on it. Got some decent lights. So if anybody's working on one, guys, shoot me an email, santasworkshop64@gmail.com. But we're going to get this body off one of these days and show you exactly how bad the frame was on this thing. But I mean, we have some parts. Alrighty, we're going to end off this video. Sorry to throw the clickbait at you, but hey, I got to do something. But we'll see you next time. We're going to have Cars and Coffee this weekend. I don't know if this video is going to make it out before then, but hey, hope y'all make it out. If not, we got next month. So remember, like, subscribe. We'll see you next time on Santa's Workshop.